Hello colleague, welcome to our channel. This is Satya, software engineer. Today, let's get to know a basic quality we should have to become a software engineer. I'll tell you a short story of mine how I became a software engineer. I was studying in 8th standard. Those were beautiful days. If I get 9 out of 25, that's great. Or if I get 35 out of 100 marks in exams, that's awesome. So apart from that, I don't have any worries, no stress, no struggles, nothing. And I was not also into any relationships because I'm not this much handsome at that time. But I tried some of the girls like Preeti, Ramya and all, but they rejected me. But now they are in foreign, they are clicking pics, uploading their pics into social media. Now I'm clicking enter to execute the task and uploading the data into server. One fine day, my super senior came to my school to collect some certificate stuff. Teachers were so excited because he got a job in big MNC company. So one teacher brought him to our class to motivate us. So teacher left and my senior starting interacting with us, and we were also like interacting with him, like how did he get his job, what job he's doing, and how is his job. And he started saying that like I got a job as software engineer in big MNC company and I'm enjoying like anything. In our team we have 3 boys, 4 girls, and every week we have a team lunch, team outings, parties. So everything he's enjoying like that. And also one more thing I forgot, that he's also getting a big digit salary it seems. So I liked it. I decided that I want to become a software engineer. Then I asked him which subject I need to study more. I have maths, physics, chemistry, etc. Then he told that none. Wait, what? Yes, none. You need to study computers. You need to know about computers. You need to know how to browsing. What is browsing? I asked him. He told that if you get whatever you want to see or whatever information you want to require from the computer, if you know how to search that, then it is browsing. If you get that information, then you will become a good software engineer. This is what he told. Then I asked him, what should I do? Then he suggested me that go to internet cafe, take a system and search what you want to do. From the next day, no maths, no physics, only computers. That time, for 30 minutes, the internet cafe charge was 15 rupees. So I asked my parents the 15 rupees and I went to internet cafe. And I was searching for a corner cabin, but I didn't find that. But I waited and I got the corner cabin. And I settled down and I was open Chrome. I've got this Google search bar, but still that time we don't know, right? So I searched like www.google.com. Then I got some sites and I opened that. The first task executed. And the second one, what I want to see. I searched something and I click enter. I get nothing. I didn't get what I wanted. Maybe I used the wrong keywords. Then I reformed the sentence and searched it. And again it's still not coming. I tried it multiple times but not coming. The time is up, I came out. I depressed because 15 rupees is equal to 8 Asha chocolates, 2 Goas, 2 Regodiums for 4 days. I lost everything, but I didn't give up. I used to go once in a week every time, but I didn't get the results what I wanted to go. Then I fed up. I took my Pulsar cycle and I went to my senior's home. I met him. I told everything. He understood my pain. Then he took me to internet cafe and he taught me how to browse. Then without shame, I opened up and I asked him what I wanted to see. And he smiled and then he showed me what I wanted. That was full excitement. Then I was by-hearting the site name and he saw me, he smiled again and he gave me a list of sites. That's awesome. And the day over. After that, I used to go twice a week to the internet shop. To get money, I told my parents that I'm learning computer. Every time I go into the cabin with full enthusiasm and coming out with super enthusiasm. That's great because I felt like a software engineer. One day, I went to that internet cafe. I wanted that same last cabin, but unfortunately it was filled. But I know everything about that cabin, right? So on the door, there is a small hole on it. So I was peeping into the cabin. There was a couple sitting inside the cabin and they're doing some project work. I understood. It takes a lot of time to get free. So I took another cabin, but again, unfortunately, the door lock is not working. But still, I was watching the videos like what I wanted. Then my senior came. He was studying in 9th standard. He came for taking some Xeroxes. He saw me, what I was watching. He went back to school and he told to his friends what he saw. I became famous. I became like a hero because no one knows how to search, how to browse these things. So till that time, I used to spend 15 rupees. But two seniors are with me, so my spend reduced to 5 rupees. And after that, my spend was 0. After some days, most of the people know about these things. From that day, I was stopped spending money and I was getting money because some students come to me and they give some money to show all this stuff. I became an entrepreneur. After all the struggles like higher education, clearing semesters, campus placements, I got a job. I got a job as software engineer because I know how to browse. In between, I saw a movie called Go Goa Gone. It's a very good movie and very informative movie. I got to know that we have many flavors, many domains. We have how to interact with girls, what are rave parties. Then I started recollecting the things, my senior words. He told that team outings, team parties, team lunch, and so on, right? So I was so excited and I expected many things because I became a software engineer. Do you want to know what happened after that? There's a link in the description. Please do watch. Trust me, it will be more fun. Please subscribe to Hello Colleague channel. Thank you. Bye bye.